You think it says you don't run in the backyard?
And you run in the flower garden.
That's
yeah,
right.
you don't run in the flower garden, and it
You
says.
are not a tulip. Please do not stand in the flower beds.
Got it? All right.
Standing there.
Good morning, guys. We are back in Washington. We are in Mount Vernon, Washington, where we are going to be visiting a tulip garden, and it's someplace that Zoran has actually been wanting to go to for years now. So every time we leave Seattle, we're like, oh, we should have made time for the tulips, or oh, we didn't have time for the tulips. So this time we made sure to make time for the tulips, right, babe? Somebody's very excited.
We're here, Zay!
We are here!
We made it to Seattle. The flower thing was hella cold, guys.
Really cold.
Not prepared for how cold it was. It was really cool though. It was exactly what I imagined, plus more, because there were like a real garden area in the front. That was really cool. And it wasn't that cold there because it's like...
And it wasn't muddy.
And it wasn't muddy.
As we predicted.
Yeah, and it was like super, just like gardeny, right? But then the farther out from the garden I mean like it's super like organized and stuff. Like it obviously was planned to look a certain way. The farther out you go into the field, it was freaking freezing and windy, and I felt so bad for the girls because it was like not what we expected. Yeah, and she was cold, so I was like, okay, we gotta go, because Leah had her SIPO and her boogers running runny nose running all over. So that was really cool. I was really happy we were able to do that, but I'm really excited because we're here at our Airbnb in Seattle, and it's exactly what I wish. Not that I don't love our house, but if we lived in a city, this is exactly what I wish, exactly what I would hope our house looked like. It is so cute. Want to see the outside? Yeah.
Let's go see the inside.
This is the outside.
I'm excited.
Just that. Boom.
All right, we are finally in. Oh my God.
What I imagine that I would want for myself. Look at this kitchen.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. This is like so open too.
I love this. This is like the perfect size
I know.
for a place in the city.
And it's just one story, right?
Yeah, it's just one story. It's 2 bedrooms.
Oh, forgot to take off your shoes.
Oh yeah, go ahead, take off your shoes.
Kitchen.
And 2 bedrooms?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms here. So this is the living space here, living space area. Fireplace, TV, and then we have the bathroom. Ooh, let's turn on the lights. Very spacious, nice.
Another little desk area, washer dryer.
Ooh, perfect. Don't have to go anywhere.
Light.
Up. Cool. All right, we have this 1 bedroom here, and then another bedroom here. Let's see. Okay. These are actually really big rooms. Okay. Excited.
I love that they're right next to each other. Oh my god, this is so cute.
So now we're gonna unpack and relax for a little bit, or are we gonna go to the Space
We need
Needle?
to go to the grocery store, and
Yes.
we're debating if we should go to the Space Needle. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see very soon.
I am seriously in love with this place. If you watched our Apple Hill vlog, we said we could live there. We could, but we really could live here. Like, totally open concept, super big kitchen. It's just perfect. But I wanna just, let me focus. We decided we're not going to go to the Space Needle right now because we're probably gonna be out all day tomorrow. and the girls have been tired because yesterday they took short naps, and then they wanted to like go back to our room and have dinner. So I've decided, you know, let them rest tonight. That's what you gotta do when you have kids. You gotta like just adjust and like
and relax.
And relax. Oh, our host left us some wine. So, and there's hella toys here, right? So I'm gonna let the girls stay here and play. I'm gonna go buy some groceries because we do need some things. But I just wanted to like show you guys. This place has everything. Our last Airbnb host did not have all this like stuff stocked. Some of it is ours, like our sparkling water. There's even rice. There's like all the oils, all the spices. Coffee, come on. And her stuff is so cute. Look at all these mugs. And then like every spice you could possibly think of. Ta-da! Anyway, I'm gonna go out buy groceries. Jonathan's gonna stay here with the girls because he does have some work to catch up on, vlog work as well. He hasn't started the new vlog, so I'll be back. So I'm back from the store. Oh, I was freaking hungry. We only had breakfast this morning that we didn't vlog.
No, we didn't.
I don't remember. Oh, Jonathan said we didn't. But I stopped at the store. I stopped at Trader Joe's, and I basically decided we're gonna have a little snack because I'm gonna make some adobo for dinner.
Mommy,
But vlog.
I remember. He did record.
Yeah, recorded, but we didn't vlog. Got some B-roll shots.
But I bought stuff.
Here.
I know, that's why I literally, so the kitchen is so big. But I bought snacks to make us feel at home, like salami. What did we get? We got salami, crackers. The crackers were already here at the Airbnb. And
this one, guys.
And juice. I got juice. There wasn't Capri Sun at Trader Joe's, obviously. It's Trader Joe's. But I did get some juice pouches to make the girls feel at home. But like I'm gonna make adobo so that what the problem is when we travel is that it's hard to feed the girls. For one, they eat grilled cheese for one time for breakfast and then one time for lunch, 2 days in a row. So I'm gonna make some adobo tonight so that they could feel like they're at home, you know. And then, you know, I brought other familiar flavors. I brought Spam, but I also want to show you guys that this place, like if you ever come to Seattle and you need a family-friendly place, not only do they have toys, but she has, oh my gosh. Mom, Leah, can you say hi? What you eating? A chip. But this Airbnb also has like Leah! Oh my god. This Airbnb also has, like plates for kids, high chair, pack and play, everything. And what?
And my thing.
What is?
No, my thing in the closet. Outside the closet.
Or her toys.
Oh, and toys. But time to make dinner. I'm actually making adobo with ingredients that I like, not Filipino soy sauce and not Filipino vinegar. So we'll see how this goes. I couldn't find bay leaves at Trader Joe's. So what I was saying is, let's see how my adobo turns out, if it tastes the same or not. Because I've never made adobo with not Datu Puti or Swan. Like my fellow Filipinos will know those brands are like legit soy sauce brands. I'm using some Trader Joe's and rice wine vinegar from oh no, it's actually Asian rice wine vinegar.
But I bet you wish those prices were Canadian prices, huh? Something we didn't talk about in our last vlog is when we went out, whenever we'd go buy groceries, go to the store, we would
in Canada,
yeah, we would pay like $66 for something, and then we check our account and be like $40-something. Like,
what? Conversion rate was right? Good, guys.
Yes.
So go to Canada to just spend your money.
It smells so good in here, guys. Oh gosh, let me show you guys. Zoran made some chicken adobo, like she said, and it smells so good. Even though she didn't use her Filipino branded ingredients, it still smells really good. And it looks perfect. And then rice, chicken, and a side of cucumber.
And guess what, guess what, guys? This rice from Trader Joe's was in the frozen section. Isn't that crazy? Frozen jasmine rice. Who thought you could just buy that stuff?
Alright, so I know we showed the bathroom when we were doing the little tour of the place earlier, but I don't know how much appreciation Zoran actually gave the bathroom. Look here, back here we have some makeup wipes, pads to take off your makeup, some Q-tips, and some flossing things, and then there are two options. So there's a sunken tub here. Sunken tub? Is that the right word? Right, kind of, whatever. There's a tub, and there's also the rain shower head. And they have towels up here, and even like this place is awesome. Anything you need, it's here. But yeah, so we are gonna be wrapping up dinner now, and we're gonna be heading out to Molly Moon's Ice Cream. It's a local creamery that's really good, and I believe the girls are gonna love it.
So we decided to end our night with some ice cream. Say, do you like your ice cream? I should take that. Should I take the cone from her? Hey, what are you doing? How about you, Leah?
Yummy? Yummy? You like it, Leah? Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna call it a night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Huh? What? Oh. I've been talking to Minnie Mouse non-stop for the last 30 minutes, guys. Let me just talk to her real quick. Hello, Minnie Mouse. I finally have my ice cream, and I'm just gonna eat it, and then hang out with my family, take a bath, and go to sleep. Can I talk to you tomorrow? Oh, Zayana needs to be a good girl. She needs to put away all the toys that she took out from the bin. Okay. Good night, Minnie Mouse. Bye. Oh, what do you say? What do you say to our friends?
Say goodnight.
Say goodnight.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.
Wait, what was that?
Then be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh.